Camping alone isn't just about stepping away from home. It's about stepping into tranquility. Imagine the crisp morning air, the gentle rustle of leaves, and the uninterrupted silence that lets your thoughts breathe. For one, solo camping is a release from the hurly-burly of a fast-paced living. It has a way to recharge the battery. Of course, a lot of it depends on personalities. For them, it becomes an adventure into new territories while testing one's skills and such. Whatever the case, camping alone is a different experience from any other vacation. It is one of the best experiences for the whole outdoors, and it gives a person the ability to be free and independent as well as see the world in its most natural form. In case you're a first-timer in solo camping or searching for a new destination, here's a list of 10 amazing places that will help you enjoy the quiet and beauty of nature. They offer the right balance of adventure, relaxation, and peace of mind. Before you leave, ensure that you're prepared. Know where you're headed, pack appropriate gear, and follow some simple safety precautions. Solo camping is fun, but it's much more important to be prepared for what's out there. Let's take a look at some of the best places to camp alone. At number 10 we have The Secret Campsite, England. This campsite in East Sussex, England is the perfect spot for solo campers who are seeking a place with peaceful surroundings. It's located within woodlands that provide minimal disturbance to nature. This campsite provides a natural atmosphere in which to unwind without distractions from busy roads or noisy traffic. The woods provide a calm environment to sit and read, write, or listen to the sounds of nature. If you love walking or just sitting by the campfire, this is the perfect place. Private camping spots are tucked away in trees, making it easy to find your own space. It's a great place for reflection and solitude for beginners and experienced campers alike. Next on our bucket list is North Rhines Camping, Scotland. North Rhines Camping, Scotland is known to be one of the hidden gems for anyone who seeks to understand nature in a wilder and more remote setting. Close to Galloway Forest Park, it is a wonderful place for relaxation amidst forests, lochs, and hills. With beautiful land for hiking, bird watching, or just sitting back to take it all in, its beauty is just perfect. You can spend your time freely, whether it is walking through a quiet track, resting at a loch, or simply listening to the birds singing in the trees. North Rhines is very suitable for campers who go alone and need to find solace in an untouched and wild place. It is a perfect destination for adventure and personal development. At number 8 is Domaine Le Pontoux, France. If you are interested in a perfect mix of adventure and comfort, Domaine Le Pontoux in southern France is the one. This campsite is set in the midst of the stunning Gascony region, encompassed by excellent fields and vineyards. Friendly owners and relaxing and peaceful atmospheres make everyone feel at home. You could enjoy French culture, explore the countryside, and experience the pace of life, which is usually slower. Whether you enjoy hiking, reading in a shaded area, or simply sitting in the garden, Domaine Le Pontoux has everything. You will feel refreshed and at ease after a day spent walking in vineyards or enjoying local food at the end. This is the ideal destination for solo campers looking to relax and connect with nature as well as French culture. Next on the camping list is Agricampeggio, Licenza, Italy. Agricampeggio, Licenza is found on the shores of Lake Garda in Italy. It's a place offering beautiful views and a relaxing environment. This place is a calm spot where you can camp next to the glimmering lake while surrounded by nature. It's a campsite based on sustainability, so it gives you an extremely quiet and natural environment for single camping. Enjoy your time trekking through olive groves, swimming in the lake, or just enjoying the calm beauty of the area. The views of the lake and the quiet setting make it a perfect retreat for those wanting to get out of the hustle and bustle of life. Agricampeggio Licenza also has other cozy areas in which you could enjoy local food, adding an experience of surrounding yourself with the Italian culture and nature. Camping de Vriendschap, Netherlands is at number 6. Camping de Vriendschap in the Netherlands is a quiet location to camp and avoid the noisy city. It is a quiet campsite which offers a natural environment with lots of forests and nature reserves. It is the perfect place for a solo camper who wants to unwind and have a break from all the busy activities. This campsite only allows adults. You can stroll peacefully along the nearby woods or cycle on roads that lead to quiet, beautiful spots. There are wellness-related activities as well to help unwind, such as cold water immersion and breathing exercises. This is a perfect spot for individuals seeking to invest their time in self-care, be close to nature, and find solitude within a peaceful atmosphere. This one is my favorite. Camping 50 Plus, Austria. Camping 50 Plus in Austria, which is situated in quite forested surroundings, is suitable for single travelers aged over 50, being quiet and providing an environment which allows the solitary traveler to wind down. The campground also features natural swimming pool areas and a lovely garden, providing providing much space for individual contemplation. Places around the campsite are short hikes and revelry in natural beauty. Whether it is relaxing around the gardens or taking a walk in the woods, Camping 50 Plus gives an absolutely comfortable and quiet hideaway to enjoy nature and time by himself or herself. At number 4 we have Bartlett Cove Campground, Glacier Bay National Park, Alaska. It's located at Alaska's Glacier Bay National Park, a good location for campers traveling solo for the most adventurous time of wilderness in a lifetime. A perfect spot surrounded by huge glaciers and mountain peaks and serene environments that enable man to have direct connection with nature. An adventure-crazed experienced camper can really love the experience at this site. You can hike along the cliffs, explore the forests, and even spot whales in the bay. Even though the campground is basic, it is one of those experiences where the beauty and isolation around you make it memorable. It will be an amazing experience for those solo campers who are up for a genuine backcountry adventure. However, a permit is required to camp here. Tingles Island and Pope Bay Campgrounds, Assateague Island National Seashore, Maryland is at number 3. Assateague Island is also famous for wild horses roaming the beaches. For a solitary camper, the campgrounds of Tingles Island and Pope Bay will allow them to camp right along the ocean shores. They will enjoy the soothing sounds of the waves, watch the wild horses roaming freely, and bask in the quiet beauty of nature. Solo campers can walk through sand dunes, observe birds, or simply lie down beside the water. The island is silent and remote, so it is suitable for those who want to disconnect from the outside world. Camping on Assateague Island is a unique experience where you can feel the wilderness and solitude in such a place that exists nowhere else. Next on the list is Jumbo Rocks Campground, Joshua Tree National Park, California. Joshua Tree National Park is unique in regard to landscape, with large rock formations and amazing desert views. The Jumbo Rocks Campground is centrally located within the park and is ideal for solitary campers who like adventure and the desert landscape. Solo campers have the opportunity to explore Joshua Tree's legendary rock formations, go stargazing, and enjoy total silence in this desert environment. Desert climate is a bit challenging and can bring extreme heat days but cold nights, so the solo camper will have to be prepared. The isolation and beauty of Joshua Tree make it an unforgettable place to camp alone. And at number 1 we have Two Veep Campground, North Rim, Grand Canyon National Park, Arizona. The Two Veep Campground lies on the north rim of the Grand Canyon. This is quite a really excellent and very secluded place. From the campground, views of the Grand Canyon and the Colorado River are spectacular, and the surroundings for the campground are quiet and peaceful. Side access would take a 4x4 vehicle and a bit of effort. However, this is certainly worth the tremendous beauty and isolation. Solo campers can freely wander around the area, hike the canyon rim, and explore the extensive and spectacular view. Isolation at Two Veep really gives a chance to commune with nature and enjoy the grandeur of the Grand Canyon. In other words, solitary camping is an idea not about evasion from mundane lives, but to finding one's soul within nature itself. While exploring the serene woods of England, Alaska wild, and California deserts, all destinations provide for lone travelers trying to break from the hustle and bustle of life, an escape while rejuvenating a personal time amid solitude and a lot more that such travels encompass. It is a chance to push your limits and enjoy solitude while seeing the world at its most raw and unfiltered. Take the jump, prepare yourself properly, and venture out on a journey that might just provide some of the most breathtaking views in return for deeper experiences with a spirit. Comment below and let us know your next camping destination from the list. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Keep watching for more.